Welcome everyone. Today's adventure begins right here at the Magic Castle gift shop. A fun fact is that this is one of two locations on Highway 192. This is the east location and the west location is about 15 minutes down the road. Another claim to fame is this is where Adam the Woo and Justin Scard had their very first meetup together, right here in this parking lot. Once we finish up here, we're going to also take you on a short tour of Orange World, which is just a stone's throw away. Orange World was a favorite filming location of Adam's. If you've never seen inside the Magic Castle gift shop, here's your chance. And to our surprise, the quality and prices were very reasonable. A great way to save yourself some money on your Disney vacation. Here's a nice selection of Disney hats and mini ears. $11.99, pretty good. More stylish Mickey hats and a bunch of new 2026 Disney Florida tees. A little reminder of the legend Adam the Woo. Welcome to Florida, the Sunshine State. Sunglasses, one pair for $12.99 or two for $20. Not too shabby. Perfect suitcases for putting all of your Disney souvenirs in. $69.99. Cute assortment of Disney bags. They are not Loungeflies. They have a Disney label. $79.99. Yikes. They are priced like Loungeflies though. More teas. Cute. This is what an awesome mom looks like. Number one dad, $12.99, pretty good. Wow, this is a big alligator. Well, if you want an alligator head, this is the right place. $16.99 for a small one. Medium is $24.99. And a large head is $59.99. So now you know. Pins, $4.99 and up. For all of you pin lovers and traders, you'll get some good deals here. Honey Bells, free samples, let's go. The one and only, world famous, almost, Orange World. Look at all these beautiful oranges. Not grapefruits. Shipping also available so you don't have to bring them onto the plane. Why not jump right in and buy a citrus tree? Navel oranges, $1.50 each. Mickey is loving the watermelon, $10.99. A quarter bushel, $25. How many oranges is that? Let us know in the comments below. All the new rage for hoodies right here. Lots of t-shirts. We didn't realize this was a gift shop too. Stuckies, Natural citrus juice candies. Yes, please. Here are some non-traditional Florida souvenirs. Yummy. Orange strawberry marmalade, orange marmalade, key lime jelly. Who knew? %100% Florida orange juice. Jackpot. Whoa, $14.99 a gallon? This must be the good stuff. We collect magnets. This looks like a great one. They have everything orange from lip balm to pencils.
You think
And don't forget to pick up some gator jerky. Yes. You can also get a fruit basket too. That is going to do it for today. Thank you for joining us. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you get notification every time we post a new video. We'll see you real soon.